Guys, I hope you are all well and good. So today we are gonna see interesting and a basic problem today. So let's get into it. Given arrival and departure times of all the trains that reach a railway station. Okay, these are the timings given. Find the minimum number of platforms required for a railway station so that no train is kept waiting. Okay, nice. Consider that all the train arrive on the same day and leave on the same day. So these timings are all on the same day. Arrival and departure timing can never be the same for a train, okay, but we can have arrival time of one train equal to the departure time of another. Okay, nice. At any given instance of time, same platform cannot be used for both departure of train and arrival of another train. Oh, nice. Okay, we need different platforms. Okay, we got it right. So, first of all, we'll be given our given inputs are this arrival and departure, right? So let's first of all convert them into understandable list. Okay, and then some children might confuse about this, but this will be no. Okay, okay, these are the proper lists, and then we'll be defining a function def of let's say plt count, platform count, right? plt count, and these are the arrival comma departure. Okay, nice. And then let's say length of arrival, k is equals to length of arrival. Okay, and then n is equals to length of departure. Nice. So our first condition will be if k is not equal to n, this is a false input. These are all the false inputs. So given inputs are false. Let's print it. Print given inputs are false. Okay, nice. Else, so this is our main condition. In this case, k is equals to n, right? So first of all, we're gonna be define some of the values. So in this case, we're gonna sort the list first to get a good one, and but these are already sorted, right? First arrival is sorted, but departure isn't sorted, right? So let's sort them first. Say dp dot sort, right? Nice. And then we're gonna see, or we're gonna define some of the values, and we're gonna see that. Let's say our count, this is our count of number of platforms. So at least we're gonna need one platform, right? So we're gonna initialize it to 1, and then let's say I is equals to 1. I'm gonna tell it soon. And j is equals to 0, and platform sorry, result is equals to 1. So in this we're gonna increase the count, but result will be constant, since let's say now there are no trains, only one train is going and coming, say it's like that. So result will be constant, but the count will be incremented and decremented in the further scenario. So there are two ways. We can define two for loops and do a nested loop, else we can do a while loop. So if you ask me, a while loop is single while loop is more efficient than two for loop nested loop. This is kind of a merge sort like thing. You will see. Let's say while, 1 minute, while I less than n and j less than n. Okay, nice. So if right, arr I is less than or equal to departure of j. Okay, so count will be incremented. So if there is a timings of arrival is less than or equal to departure, right? Or we have seen the condition. So if the departure of one time is equal to the arrival of other time, so there should be a extra platform. So we're going to increment the platform. So okay, Yes, is equals to 1. Nice. And then we're gonna increment the arrival part. I plus is equals to 1. Nice. Now elif condition is arrival of I is greater than the departure of j. So this is a complete opposite condition in the beginning from the beginning. My bad. Okay. Yes. And then we're gonna decrement the count. Okay, since we are not going to use that platform, there would be extra platform, right? So we're gonna decrement the count and we're gonna increment the departure timings, and just like that. Okay, goes to 1. uh, and then we're gonna define the last part. It is a if condition, like if count, let's say count is greater than the result. In the previous one I have already told, right? Here a result it should be a constant. At least we need one platform, right? Okay, so count will be incremented. Result. Okay, then result is equals to count, so we're gonna return the results, or okay, return the results. So we're gonna use it. Okay, say print def for def I, my bad, pld of count of arr comma def. Let's see what we are gonna get. Okay, this is gonna taking a while, right? So guys, let's see if there is an error. Yeah, invalid token, system error, line 1. The 900 940, what's wrong with it? Let's get an error. See, this is the beauty of programming. Okay, let's say and we're gonna decrease some spaces. Let's see, we can handle the error. Okay, let's try again. Invalid token. I guess we should remove the zeros. Never mind. Let's try again. Okay, 3. We got the 3 right. So this is the beauty of programming. A small space and a small zero can change your life. So like that. Our output is 3 and we've been given our output is 3. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's class. So let's meet in the next class. Thank you.